Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I am going to be showing you how I folded these towels. A lot of people asked me on my last video, how did I do this? How did I achieve this look? So I'm going to show you how to do that today. If you haven't seen my bathroom makeover, I will have the video link below. Definitely check it out. And if you like home decor, DIYs, or decorating, or you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. So first I'm going to show you how to do the towel that you're actually going to put inside of the decorative towel. So you're going to fold it lengthwise in thirds, a full bath towel. Okay, make sure it's really neat. And it needs to be folded in thirds. So the ends of it, try to keep those together. And I'm going to start on one end and I'm just going to start tightly rolling it and trying to keep it in line. If it starts to get out of line, then you got to kind of pull it back in. And the reason why it needs to be in thirds, folded in thirds, is because it needs to fit inside of the decorative floral towel. But you'll see that in a minute. So just go ahead and roll this one up really neatly. Put that aside. I'm going to do two of those. And now I'll go ahead and show you how you do the decorative towel. Okay, so you're going to take another bath towel, basically the same size, and you are going to fold it in thirds lengthwise as well. And you want this to try to be as even as possible. So try to make it nice and neat where the ends line up as closely as you can, and then pull it back over. And these towels right here are from Tuesday morning. And from my last video, I found that a lot of people don't have Tuesday morning in their areas. So if you don't have a Tuesday morning and you want a blue towel like this, I have seen these in Homegoods as well. So you're going to fold it over. Make sure the ends kind of meet up together. And if you have a tag like this, just go ahead and cut it off, because I'm going to cut mine off. I've also seen these towels on Amazon as well, and I can definitely put an Amazon link below for anyone interested. Right here it does look lighter, but you'll see in a minute the true color of it. So I'm going to grab about 4 to 5 inches from the end, but let me take you into the bathroom so you can see how it's really installed. So you're going to need a rubber band. Got mine from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to put the towel on either side of the towel bar. And I'm going to go up maybe about 4 to 5 inches above the towel bar. Hope you can see that. And I'm going to hold the towel in one hand while I put the rubber band on with the other hand. It's pretty easy to do. And I'm going to go around twice. Depends on what kind of rubber band you have. Sometimes you just have to go around once. So open up the towel at the bottom and put in the one that you just rolled. Nice and neat. And it's going to fit in there neatly because you folded both of them in thirds. So they're the exact same size. So it's not going to hang out and look like it's not neat or anything like that. So now you have the towel at the top. You're going to pull it forward. Pull it forward about a third of the way down. You could even go a half of the way down. And then you just start shaping your flower here in the center by pulling it apart. Pulling it apart, kind of squeezing it together. You just kind of play around with it until you get that shape of a rose or of a flower. It doesn't take long to do it. Just kind of separate them. And you get this beautiful rose towel that you can display in your bathroom. It's so beautiful, you guys. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with two towels next to each other. And if you wanted to, you could still put a tassel on it, but I think with the rose in the middle, that's just enough. You don't need to do anything else to it. So let me put the other one over here. And I did put a hand towel in the center, which kind of finishes off the look. So guys, if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, let me know in the comments and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.